Okay, I'm going to use these staples. Now, Harbor Freight, and I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight, sells this staple nailer, okay? And the way it's designed, okay, as you see, it's designed so that these staples go right into this groove, alright? It just slides right down in here, okay? And this is what I should have been using all along, because it will hold better. Okay, and that's in place. Now I'm going to use this to do, to anchor this drywall a little bit more underneath this sink. Up close and personal. Okay, you can see it leaves, which just it's indented. It'll be able to fill it with drywall mud, no problem. Okay, again, this will take the place of any screws. Okay, and then I'll put in right here. Alright, and then over here, next bit of that nail, just so it don't pull out. If it ever does, this will prevent it. Alright. Now this right here goes up fairly high. That works. And again, these staples really, they're not gonna shoot through it, and it's not gonna be a weak spot, so staples are really the best way to go. Alright. So, it's awkward under here, as you can see. Alright, let's get it up here closer to the top. Okay. And we are golden. We are golden. Bam. There you have it. Okay. Next I'll be using some drywall mud. And we will be getting this together. That's the next thing I look forward to do. So this is just a little intro to part 4. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. God bless. We're just keeping it real. Bye.